Hey guys, UM here. So today I'm going to continue the daily challenges. But before we jump in, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and give me your feedback. What are you guys thinking about all of this content, about all of this that I'm doing, and what content do you want me to bring here to the channel? And yeah, uh, without any further ado, let's get started. So this challenge is from Hacker Hank and it's called Cut the Sticks. So let's see how it goes and let's read it and then start the implementation. So you are given a number of sticks of varying lengths. You will iteratively cut the sticks into smaller sticks, discarding the shortest piece until there are none left. At each iteration, you will determine the length of the shortest stick remaining. Cut that length from each of the longer sticks and then discard all the pieces of the shortest length. When all the remaining sticks are the same length, they cannot be shortened, so discard them. Given the lengths of n sticks, print the number of sticks that are left before each iteration until there are none left. So let's see the example 1, 2, 3. The shortest stick length is 1. So cut that length from the longer 2 and discard the pieces of length 1. Now the lengths are 1 and 2. Again, the shortest stick is of length 1. So cut that amount from the longer stick and discard those pieces. There is only one stick left, so discard that stick. The number of sticks at each iteration are answered 3, 2, 1. Hmm. I'm not sure if I get it. So yeah, let's see the function description. Complete the cut the sticks function in the editor below. It should return an array of integers representing the number of sticks before each cut operation is performed. Cut the sticks has the following parameters. So array and the length of each stick. The number of sticks after each iteration is what should be returned. Okay. Input format, the first line contains a single integer n, the size of array. And the next line, yeah, this is to create a test case, right? So let's jump this thing. Constraints, n is from 1 to 1,000. Okay, and the length, right? It makes sense. And the array of I, so the length inside of the each value, it will be around 1 and 1,000. The values inside of the array, right? Okay, 5, 4, 4, 2, 8. Okay, let's see. The output is 6, 4, 2, 1. Why? Okay, so 6 length would be this. So length of cut, it would be 2 because it's the shortest one, right? So then sticks cut 6. Why 6? Why 6? 6 cut. Oh, it's because it's the length of this array. 3, 2, 2, 6, because we subtract right from the previous one. 2, yeah, it would be 2, the minimum value, and then it would be 4 because of the number Okay, so then we subtract the two to be 1 and 4. Then it's 1, it's the minimum, right? To be 2, then 3, then okay. And the output will be this. Interesting for that one. 8, so we find 1 here, then we find 1 here, then we find 1 here. Then the response will be this one. Okay. Okay, guys. So the idea here, I think we can have like an array that can be mutable, right? And we're going to mutate that until it's null. So to represent these changes. Then we can have another array that will just store these lengths. And then we need to have an iteration around inside of these other iteration, so a nested iteration to check the minimum value, right? So let's see. So first off, we need to create a mutable array. So let's call it like mutable array. That will be the array. Um, we need the response, right? That would be the array of integer. Um, then we need to iterate while let's see, the mutable array is empty is false. Here we should return response, right? Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So first we need to find the minimum, right? So what can we do here? Okay, so there's one thing that we can do here. It's finding the minimum. So maybe we can sort like var or let, let's put minimum value. I mean, response doesn't need to be empty, right? It can be the like mutable array dot count. You can start like that because as you can see here, the array, the whole array should be in the answer as well. So we can already start with that, right? So minimum value, it will be mutable array dot sorted by, let's put it like that, by, I think this would be decreasing, right? Mm, first. So let's put what that minimum array. First else continue. Okay. Uh, let's just comment this file for now. Oh, I mean, this, right? And print the minimum value here just to make sure that we are getting the lowest. Okay. Okay, sorted by. Okay. Mm, yeah, we are not. Let's do it like that. Okay. So the minimum value here is the 8. So yeah, it's not that, it's the opposite, right? It's like that. So then we can get 2. Okay, okay, that makes sense. So yeah, now we can continue. So we are reaching the right minimum value. So yeah, we have the minimum value here. So what else? Now we should subtract, right? Create another array. So new array would be integer. So the for each value in table array guard value minus minimum value. It's higher than 0, right? Let's just continue. Then we should append uh, this, right? So this point we are just doing that, right? We are just generating that. After that, we should then response. So if new array dot count is higher than 0, because it should not include 0, right? Then the response should append new array dot count like that. And then mutable array just receive new array. I think that's it, guys. Let's run the code and let's see. All right, it's working here. Let's submit the code and see how it goes. All right, guys, we did it. So yeah, thank you guys, and I see you in the next video.